So hello everyone. So in this video we will be solving a new GFG problem which is minimum element in BST. See, it's a basic level problem and a very easy problem, I will say. So before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel. And also it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem and try to build up the intuition and try to do the code also. See, it's a very easy problem. You all can do this problem. And if in any case you stuck at any point, then you can see this video. So let's see the problem statement. Problem is saying that we have given a root of a binary first tree. The task is to find the minimum value element in a given BST. So the property of binary first tree is left element of that root node will be lesser than the right element of the root node. Like if the root node is 5, so you can see here, root node is 5. So left element of that root node should be less than the root data, and right element of that root node will be greater than the root data. Like you can see here, the if root data is 5, you can see here root data is 5, so left element of this root node will be lesser than 5. Like 4 is less than 5, and the right element of this root node will be greater than 5. Here you can see here this is 6. So if this is root node 4, so the left element of this root node, so left element of this root node should be less than 4. So it's 3 is less than 4. This is a valid condition. So you can see here also the right element of this root node 6 is greater than 6, greater than 6 actually. This is a 7, so it should be greater than 6. So the condition of the binary search tree is the left, this, see, this is a root node, so left element of this root node will be less than the actual root data, and the right element of this root node will be greater than the actual data of root node. So it's a very simple problem. We have to find the minimum value of this. So you can see here, sorry, we have to find the minimum value of element in this given BST. So minimum value कहाँ पर मिलेगी, minimum value कहाँ पर मिलेगी, लेफ्ट पे, जब सबसे ज्यादा लेफ्ट में चला जाऊंगा, लाइक 5, ये एलिमेंट कितना छोटा होना चाहिए, रूट डेटा से छोटा होना चाहिए, ये वाला एलिमेंट से छोटा ये वाला होगा एलिमेंट, ये वाला एलिमेंट से छोटा ये वाला एलिमेंट होगा। तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं लेफ्ट में जाता हुआ जा रहा हूँ। सो वी आर इनिशियलाइजिंग द लूप बाय रूट का लेफ्ट जब तक एग्जिस्ट करता है तब तक जाते रहो, एंड इन दिस जब तक रूट का लेफ्ट एग्जिस्ट करता है रूट जाते रहो, और लेफ्ट वाले को रूट बनाते जाओ। तो रूट इक्वल्स टू रूट का लेफ्ट। सो यू कैन सी हेयर 5 है, 5 का रूट का लेफ्ट एग्जिस्ट करता है तो इसको रूट बना दिया, फिर इसका रूट एग्जिस्ट करता है, इसको रूट बना दिया, इसका रूट एग्जिस्ट करता है, लेफ्ट एग्जिस्ट करता है मतलब, तो इसको रूट बना दिया। अब इसका रूट का लेफ्ट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता बिकॉज वो नल हो रखा है, नल हो रखा है, तो उस कंडीशन में ब्रेक हो जाएगी और 1 मैं रिटर्न कर दूंगा। तो फाइनली आई रिटर्न रूट का डेटा। So this was a simple code. If I run this code, then see what will happen. It will run perfect, I know. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Yeah, you can see here all test cases have passed. So this was a simple solution for this, and it's a basic level problem. So दो लाइन का कोड होना ही था, ठीक है। So if you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. तब तक के लिए bye.